Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2014 Q50 that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade for a brand new Infiniti. Obviously they were big fans of the Infiniti product, exchanging this one for another Infiniti. It's a clean Carfax vehicle, relatively local, part of its life in the Portland area and the rest of its life in the Washington area. We do have a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. Beautiful shape inside and out. Very well equipped with features. This has a whole suite of safety and technology. Pretty much every technology feature and safety feature that was available in the Q50 in 2014 is equipped on this one. It has the premium package, it has a Deluxe Touring Package, and it has the technology package. Also has the upgraded leather seating package versus leatherette. This has the full leather, nice contrast stitching, wood interior trim, comes with the Deluxe Touring Package. You have a drive mode selector to tailor transmission shift points, throttle sensitivity, traction stability control settings for different driving situations or the type of driving that you want to do. 7-speed automatic transmission. You can put it in manual shift mode. You can pull it back and to the left. That puts it in manual shift mode. You push up for up shifts, back for down shifts. It provides rev match down shifts for a sportier sound and feel. And this transmission also features a system called Adaptive Shift Control, which momentarily holds the current gear for better acceleration out of a turn or corner or when accelerating up a hill. We have a dual display system. The Q50 is the first vehicle of its kind to have a system like this. The top screen is for the parking camera and navigation system. This has a 360-degree around view camera. You can change views. There's a nice side view. Also features front rear parking sensors, backup collision intervention. The bottom screen is a tablet-like interface for vehicle settings and apps. Heated seats, heated steering wheel. The steering wheel tilts and telescopes. Bose premium audio system, blind spot warning and blind spot prevention, so it will steer you back into your lane if a vehicle is in your blind spot. Lane departure warning and lane departure prevention. Adaptive cruise control that operates from a full speed from 0 to 90 miles an hour. This has forward collision warning, forward emergency braking, and this has the ability to see not just what's going on with the vehicle in front of you, but it can actually see what's going on with the vehicle that's in front of the vehicle that's in front of you. So it can react to accidents or it can engage the emergency braking system before you even know that something has gone awry. Really cool safety features. This also has direct adaptive steering. This is the first vehicle of its kind to have direct adaptive steering. The way it works is that during normal driving conditions, there's no mechanical connection to the front wheels. It's all handled by electric motors and computers. So the reasons why they're doing this is that they want to be able to filter out unwanted feedback. In a normal vehicle with a normal steering rack, when you go over a bump or you hit a rut in the road that might jerk the wheel, that doesn't happen. It gets filtered out. So basically it gives you the feedback that you need, filters out the unwanted feedback to help battle driver fatigue. And what works, a system that also this Q50 have that works great with the direct adaptive steering is a feature called Lane Keep Assist, which will make small steering corrections on the highway to keep you in your lane, and that will help battle driver fatigue. And that's not an autonomous driving system, but it can steer you in the lanes in the highway, just as long as the car can read the lane markers and it's not really aggressive cornering. It's a system, like I said, to battle driver fatigue, not to be fully autonomous. And if you're worried about what if the car has a catastrophic failure, you lose electrical power, am I going to lose steering? Well, you won't, because there's actually a mechanical backup. So if there's a total system failure, there's a backup mechanical steering rack so you can steer the vehicle safely if there is a catastrophic failure. Also, another feature I forgot to mention that you get with the direct adaptive steering is a feature that helps keep the vehicle from blowing around. I don't know if you've been in a vehicle where you've had crosswinds that blow you around. Well, the direct adaptive steering and lane keep assist systems will help compensate for crosswinds blowing you around on the highway. This Q50 also features intelligent all-wheel drive. The reason why they call it intelligent all-wheel drive is when all-wheel drive is not needed, it's going to send 100% of the power to the rear wheels. And the reason why they do that is if the all-wheel drive system is constantly working, that's going to sap gas mileage, because the wear of the all-wheel drive system is going to reduce your gas mileage. It's also going to chew up your tires faster if the all-wheel drive system is working all the time as well. So that's the reason why they have it revert to 100% rear-wheel drive. And it's also a performance vehicle, and that gives you the feel of a rear-wheel drive sports car. You know, the roads are pretty dry right now, so obviously all-wheel drive is not needed. But when it is, as soon as those wheels start to slip in a matter of milliseconds, almost instantly it can send up to 50% of the vehicle's power to the front wheels. It also can split the power from left to right. The Q50 is built on an advanced front midship platform, also shared with the Q60, Nissan 350Z, Nissan 370Z, the G35 Coupe, G37. All those vehicles are built on the advanced front midship platform, and the reason why they call it that is that they take the engine, they place it as far behind the front axle as possible, so the center of gravity is towards the middle of the vehicle. By doing that, the vehicle can rotate on its axis, and it improves the handling and feel through the corners. The heart of the Q50 is this award-winning VQ37 engine. Makes 328 horsepower. That's won lots of awards. I've been with Infiniti for 15 years, and I've seen many variations of these engines coming on trade-in for service of 200 and even 300,000 miles still running strong. Just a testament to the build quality and durability of the Infiniti product. Features maintenance-free timing chain, so you never need to worry about the cost of replacement of timing belts. Thanks to platinum tip spark plugs, first meter tune-up is not till 105,000 miles. And the engine's actually designed to have a service life of 300,000 miles, so it's no surprise that we do see quite often vehicles with these engines going through 300,000 miles. This Q50 is also backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. If you're looking for a luxury sedan with Japanese build quality and lots of features and technology at an affordable price, this Q50 is a great trade-in, relatively local vehicle, serviced and checked by our Infiniti techs. Who better to buy a pruned Infiniti from than a new Infiniti store like us? Come in, take it for a drive. I think you'll be very impressed, and thanks for taking the time today to watch this video.